Okay, YouTube friends, this is our third go around on this hole that we're working out here. As in the first two videos, I explained that we had to put it was drilled off center, got over into the threads, and so we had to cut a dowel pin out of a bolt and drive it in, and then center punch it and get it back in the center. So we started out with small, like 1/16, then we went up eventually to 1/8, and now we're going up. We've gone up with about 3 or 4 different bit sizes. Now we're going in with a 1/4 inch bit. So I have to start at an angle because the plug we put in so we could get back to center is up just a little higher than the bolt that's broke off. So we start at an angle and then we pull it back in after we get in about 1/8 of an inch. So we're pulling it in, leveling our drill up, straightening up. Now our drill's level according to the bubble, and we feel like we're pretty square with it. This 1/4 inch bit is really cutting easy. These are cobalt bits. The high speed steel just won't do it. This was a hardened bolt that broke off in here. Let me get back. Start it with a little revolution. Get back up to level, according to my little level on my drill. And then make sure I'm square. Now I'm going to have to speed it up just a little, keep it from binding. Back it out. I'm going to have to tighten my bit. Now I've got my relief set on about number 7 or 8 spot here. See, it's taken out a good bit. Now that was clutch release on a drill. That's to keep me from snapping off my drill bits in there. So I'll get this in. This is 1/4, and I should be able to go up to a 5/16. Now eventually that little plug's gonna want to come out, so there's not much left to it now. Not very big. Alright, I'm through. I believe I'm through. Could be a little more to go. The good thing about checking your level when you're doing this is that you know you're not getting off of the original bore hole. You can get 2 separate holes going 2 different directions on here if you're not careful. Alright, I'm in at the bottom. So that's a 1/4 inch hole. And we're not in too bad a shape. We're going to go up to 5/16. This is a 12mm fine thread bolt. Alright. Now 5/16. Some oil in it. You see the plugs backing out there? So I'm going to help it back in a little bit. back level and trying to come back square. We go up to get level. Now this bit has been used a pretty good bit, so it's not going to be real sharp. This is the third hole that we fixed up. Alright, YouTube friends, we're going to run out of battery on the camera here. But I'm going to finish drilling this. Then we'll see if we can get on up to the bigger size we need to be. Alright, YouTube friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you will. And on these drilling out holes videos, they can get boring if you're in a hurry. So just skip through, get whatever video helps you, and hopefully it'll help somebody to maybe drill out some broken bolts without getting off center. Get off center, it just complicates matters. Alright, YouTube friends, have a great day.